Oh no! Where is my wedding ring? It was right here on my hand.
What do you mean it is gone? Today is our special anniversary day.
We need to leave for the park photo shoot in 30 minutes.
I saw Mom wearing her shiny silver ring earlier this morning in the hallway. Do not panic, Mom. We will search the whole house together right now.
I checked my bag 3 times already. The ring is really not inside.
Finn, were you playing with Mom's jewelry box in the bedroom earlier?
No, Dad. I was just playing near her desk. I did not touch it.
Everyone please stay calm. Let us check every room one by one immediately.
I trust you, Finn. Let us think carefully about what Mom did today.
I am searching under the sofa cushions first. Help me check the rug. There are only some old copper coins and a small toy car here.
Nothing under the TV stand either. Where could the ring be hidden?
What if I knocked it down by accident while running in the morning?
Try to remember, Finn. Did you hear anything fall when you were playing?
I do not remember hearing any noise. I am so sorry if I lost it.
I will look around my dressing table and inside all the small drawers. It is not in the top drawer. Everything is in its usual place.
The floor under the bed is completely clear. No ring around here either.
Mom, where were you right after you woke up early this morning?
I made breakfast in the kitchen. Then I went out to the garden. Did you take off your ring when you washed your hands in the sink? Let us check the kitchen sink. Maybe it slid down into the drain.
The drain filter is clean. The ring did not fall into the pipe.
I am checking inside the low cabinets near the trash can right now. There is nothing inside here except clean dish towels and paper napkins.
The time is ticking fast. We will miss our photo session at the park.
That ring is very important to us. We have worn them for 10 years.
I feel so sad. I wanted to wear it for our family picture.
Dad looked at me like I made a big mistake. I feel terrible.
Do not blame yourself, Finn. Dad was just surprised and worried about time.
Let us act like real detectives. We need to retrace every step carefully. Mom, tell me every single thing you touched before breakfast today.
I poured glass of water, checked my email, and went out to feed birds.
I will search the laundry basket near the washing machine one more time. No ring in the laundry room. The clothes are all clean and empty.
Where are we going now, Nia? Did you find a new clue? Look out there! Mom said she was watering her favorite pink flowers today.
Yes, I watered the hydrangeas right after drinking my morning tea. Let us search around the flower beds and green grass very carefully.
I will search near the tall grass and the wooden garden bench. Nothing shiny on the grass, just some tiny bugs and soft soil.
Be careful where you step. We do not want to crush the ring. The ground around the large clay pots is clear and dry.
Mom, did you wear anything on your hands while working out here?
Oh, I wore my heavy yellow gardening gloves to protect my hands.
Where are those yellow gardening gloves right now, Mom? Tell me.
I put them inside the green storage bin right after I finished.
Nia, you are so smart. Let us open the bin immediately. I found the bright yellow rubber gloves sitting right on top.
Look at these gloves. The left one looks a bit puffy at the top. Is it possible the ring slipped off inside while working hard? I feel something hard and round tucked right at the very tip.
Watch closely, everyone. Something is about to drop out of the glove.
Here it is! The missing wedding ring was inside the glove fingertip.
Hooray! Nia found Mom's wedding ring! You are amazing, Nia!
Thank you so much, my clever girl. You saved our special day. It fits perfectly. I must have pulled it off with the glove earlier.
Finn, I am so sorry for thinking you lost it earlier today. I was wrong to look at you with worry. Please forgive me, son.
That is okay, Dad. I am just super happy we found the ring.
You two are the best children ever. I love you both so much.
Now we can finally go to the park for our anniversary photos.
We still have 15 minutes left. We are right on schedule now.
Detective Naya has officially closed the case of the lost wedding ring.
And Assistant Finn helped keep everyone calm during the big search.
Grab your hats and water bottles. The car is ready to go.
My beautiful ring is sparkling again. Today is going to be wonderful.
The weather outside is perfect for taking sunny pictures in the park. Let us walk to the car together. Hold hands, everyone.
Look at all the pretty flowers and big trees over there near the lake.
Welcome. I have set up the camera under this beautiful big tree.
Stand straight, Finn. We need to look super handsome for the picture.
Happy 10th anniversary, my love. I am so glad to share today.
Happy anniversary. Today proved how strong and loving our family really is.
Everyone stand together in the center and give me your biggest smiles.
We are totally ready. Cheese and big smiles for the picture.
3, 2, 1. Say cheese, everyone. Hold your bright smiles.
Today is the happiest day for our entire loving family.
The picture looks absolutely stunning. Every single smile is perfect and bright.
Trust and love in our family are more precious than any jewelry.
You kids solved the problem with patience, kindness, and smart teamwork today.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Best family team in the whole world.
We will remember this fun anniversary story for many years to come.
Always trust your family and solve every small problem together with love.